YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Excuse me if I'm talking low. I just woke up and I'm trying to put this lift on this truck. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna talk too much. I got a 4-inch spindle from Spindle source for my 2002 Dodge truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that real quick. I already loosened up the lug nuts. So all I gotta do is jack it up. I'm gonna change the upper control arms today along with it. So let me just show y'all the spindles right now. Boom, these are the spindles, my guys and girls. Spindle from Spindle source. As you can tell, it's kind of high. So we're gonna see what it's talking about, to be honest. Cause I haven't, got a leveling kit on my truck, so we're gonna see. All right, so now we got the wheel off. I'm just working to get this top bolt off. Cause like I said, I'm changing my upper control arms as well. But yeah, this is what we doing. But no, let me show you how to get the spindle off. Yeah, I'll walk through. So when you're taking the spindle off, you gotta take the top bolt off for the upper control arm. The bottom bolt for the upper control arm, lower control arm, and then the tie rod, the tie rod ends. Then you also got to take off the caliper and the caliper bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and knock all those out real quick. I'm gonna get back to you when I get all of them off. All right, man, so I got the spindle off of hard work and dedication. That's all I can say, because that hoe, man, look at how hard I was beating on it. I'm glad this was the old one, but dang. Anyway, yeah, this is the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and swap everything over, and I'm gonna change out that upper control arm real quick, because I'm on a time frame. So, and I'm still on the front, on the passenger side. I ain't even go to the driver's side yet. So, we finna go ahead and knock this out. All right, and I'm done. This is a 4-inch spindle with the 2.5, or I believe it's 2.5. I don't really know what level to get on here. I want to say 2.5 because it's not really. It's not sitting like a 3-inch wood, so it's like 2.5. But this is how it sits. It's still on Jackson on the other side, but yeah, I want to put it down and see how it really look. But it's definitely higher than I thought. It's definitely higher, and I'm definitely gonna have to get alignment, cause like, yeah, definitely gotta get alignment. But I like it so far. I'm ready to do the other side though, man. When I say this is a pain in the ass, boy, this is a pain in the ass. I might show y'all the other side, because this shit here, boy, I wouldn't wish this on the enemy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side and see how it looks. Drop it, see how it looks. All right, so I'm back. We ran into some technical difficulties. I had to go to the parts store 2 times to get this certain socket that I need, which is a 27. One side was a 21, one was a 27. So I'm guessing they got 2 different ball joints on there, 2 different brands. That junk whack, man. That junk is so whack. This 1-2 hour project turned into all day. Like, I started at 9:30 in the morning. It is like 2 o'clock now. This shit crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and get the show back on the road. Go ahead and keep the ball moving. Go ahead and finish this up, because I'm trying to, got one side done, I gotta do the other side. I got to finish it, so wish me luck. All right, so boom, now we finished. I should have did it before and after, but I think I got some pictures, so we're gonna go ahead and get some pictures from there. But I believe I'm finished. I haven't drove it yet. I'm gonna drive it just a second. But replace the upper control arms. I need to get the lower control arms. I was gonna replace the ball joints, but that has to be pressed out. So just gonna go ahead and replace the whole control arm, sway bar link, and tie rods. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going soon. But yeah, this is how it look. This is how it sit. And honestly, I'm happy with it. Of course, that front tire gotta do something about it. Like, I gotta get alignment ASAP. So I'm gonna have to order that stuff ASAP. But I like it. Man, one thing I will say, don't do this by yourself. Do this with a person. This junk kicked my ass. Like I said, I started at 9. like 9:30, 9:45. It's like 4 o'clock. That shit kicked my ass. But other than that, it's pretty simple, straightforward. You know, if you know what you're doing and have an idea, it's pretty straightforward. But I would definitely suggest having a helping hand there. Definitely suggest that. But I just can't stop looking at it because now I can see it like sitting back. Like I can see it like squatting back now. Look at it. Ew. Look at that front tire. I need to get alignment ASAP. But yeah, I like it. Like I said, this is called well, I got to lean. I didn't want to fully squat. So it squats a little bit, but it ain't like a for real squat. So we're going to go ahead and get that alignment, get bigger tires. I'm probably going to go ahead and save for some wheels as well. All right, so I'm back, and I've been driving it around. Really feel like I need to go redo it because of the control arms. I really feel like it's not set to where it's supposed to be, but backing in, it kind of popped, and I'm guessing it popped in place. I don't know, but I need to look at it because I'm really not liking how it is. But I like how the truck look. Like, it's not squatting too hard to give it that baby lean. Like, I love it. I'm gonna show you guys, but I love it, man. Like, I ain't like it at first. Well, I thought it was too high until I actually started driving it and went somewhere kind of level. And it looks really good to me. Like, it gives it just the right amount that I need. Like, it's giving. That's all I can say. It's giving. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what the truck look like and show y'all what I'm talking about, what the problem is. But look, man, like, it give it that little baby squat, and then it kind of, you know, it's definitely sitting up higher, but it gives it that baby squat. And like, it looks so good, but I definitely need alignment. Like, it's eating through these front tires like dog. Look at these front tires, bro. Look at them, bro. Like, they get super hot too. But oh yeah, the problem. All right, so you see, I put the control arm. For one, that looked like it's completely smushed in. Like I tightened that too much. But back here, it wasn't like that when I first put it in. When I first put that on, it was kind of up close. And I really feel like that's where my problem came from. So now what I'm gonna do is kind of raise the truck a little bit, like jack it up, get a lot of the pressure off, and tighten that bolt down again, because I tightened it all the way down. But since I guess I had it wrong to where I was turning and whatnot, it kind of buckled back into place. So, I mean, look at it, man. Like, this truck is freaking clean now, bro. Like, this thing is clean, bro. Like, I'm sorry, bro, but I don't see too many second gen, third gens. You know, mine's 2002, so that's why I said second gen, but really third gen. I don't see too many third gen people like lifting it too much. But yeah, I'm really messing with it. Like, I'm really messing with this truck now. It looks clean now. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is my first truck I for real modified and lifted, and it looks clean. Like, I am happy I bought this, and I'm happy that I did this, because I don't see too many people doing it. You know, I like to be different, so I don't see too many people doing these trucks. They some out there, not saying there's not none out there. There's some people out there, but they ain't doing it like that for real. So I mess with it. I'm not putting it on the tire though. For those folks that's about to come in and say, put it on the tire, I'm not doing that. Nope. I still use my truck as an actual truck. I still pull things. I still take stuff with me. I still throw stuff on the back. I still go off road. I'm not pulling stuff. I'm not finna drop it on the tires. I'm not. But the people that drop it on the tire, you know, more power to you. I salute y'all, because it takes a lot to actually drop a truck on the tire. Because I still use my truck, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, man, I'm very happy with how I ride. I'm very happy with how I look. Oh, also, so I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown. Also, this is a 4-inch spindle on like 1.5 2-inch leveling kit. So don't get a 4-inch spindle thinking it's gonna sit like this. No, I also have a leveling kit on here as well. And the most important thing a lot of people don't mention: when you put a spindle lift and a leveling kit on here, you do not have to get upgraded shocks. A lot of people, I was looking for that when I was about to put this lift on. I didn't know if I had to get upgraded shocks, like newer shocks or shocks that's like 1 to 2 inches, 3 inches lifted already. But doing research, they were saying the stock is the best one, or maybe 1 to 2 inches, because it's not that much of travel room, like when you hit a bump. So it won't really like be bouncing around. So when you hit a bump, it got the little bounce, but then after that it goes back to it just ride normal how it's supposed to ride. So you do not need lift shocks. You can add it on there if you want to, but you're perfectly fine with the OEM. You're perfectly fine with those. And like I said again, this is a 2-wheel drive, 02, which is still the 02 to 08 body style. And I'm not complaining for real, for real. The rest of the stuff is really alignment. So the lift itself is doing pretty good. I'm not tripping at all. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm definitely gonna be dropping more truck bangers now because I still got more to do. I got the train horn to do next, and I got some more stuff that I want to do. So I'm definitely not done. So on that note, like, comment, subscribe, and your boy Ty is up out of here. Peace.